Hi. Saturday afternoon. Day of doing lots of things. Or so I thought. Well, tomorrow I'm on an event, a mind, body, and spirit event, and I'm doing a talk on frequency and vibration, which is actually why I'm doing a video right now. Earlier on today, I had a message from someone asking me if there was anything particular going off at the moment out there in the ethers that was affecting Scorpios more than anything. Well, I'm just going to shed a little bit of light on it from my own perspective. So far as zodiac signs are concerned, I'm a Scorpio, and as a Scorpio, well, actually, I'm a Scorpio Sagittarius cusp, so I'm fire and water. As the sign of the Scorpio is very much about emotions. We are very emotional beings, as are Cancer and Pisces, 3 water signs. As a Scorpio, that's not to say that I'm not an emotional being, because I'm partly Scorpio, but I'm a little bit more fiery as well in some respects. In fact, sometimes I say to myself, I probably put myself out with my water and fire signs mixed together. I start off with really good intentions and then I water myself down and put myself out. But anyway, that's digressing actually. So I thought I'd have a look to see what it is that's going off at the moment. I'm sorry if I'm not sure if I'm looking at the camera or I'm looking at the video, but either way, I'm looking at you. So I thought I'd look at what was happening with the Schumann resonance. Now, if anybody's not doesn't understand what the Schumann resonance is, briefly, as I understand it to be, it's the magnetic energy layer that is around the Earth, and that energy layer is affected by frequencies and vibrations that are coming in, energy coming in. So scientists can read graphs for what the Schumann resonance is doing and can keep a check on it. Now, for many, many years, it's been quite stable. Not much to, or so I believe. You know, I only recently started looking into it a few years ago. I can't remember how I come across it, but in this spiritual field that I'm in, you do tend to come across things as you're going on, as spirit decides that, you know, you need to learn a bit more. So what does it mean? Well, I'll give you an example of something that happened a few years ago when we were in lockdown. The Schumann resonance, because of the fear that was happening around the world, was being affected by the energy vibration that we as human beings were giving off. Remember that we are energy and vibration, just like everything else in this system. So we were affecting that energetic frequency that is covering the world, that's outside there in the ethers. So excuse me if I'm not using all the right jargon or words. I really don't care. I'm just trying to put it in layman's terms for anybody that doesn't understand it. If you do understand it and you're not really interested, then, you know, you don't have to listen to this video. Simple. But anyway, I'll give you another example. A few years ago, we had crisis created on a petrol shortage, and the information that went round like wildfire was You need to fill your car up with petrol, because otherwise there's not going to be any. And humans being doing what they do best went into fear and started panic buying. At the very same time as that happening, the Schumann resonance spiked in the frequency. And when the situation calmed down, it dropped back down and started to just balance itself out. So that's the amount of effect that we have on, the energy around us. Fear, amazing thing if you don't know how to control it. Which leads me up to the talk that I'm going to do tomorrow about frequency and vibration. So if anyone's interested, I'm at Calverton. I believe it's called Calverton Village Hall. I've not done it before. It's the first time. So it's going to be quite interesting. I like MBS events. I enjoy it, and I enjoy the people that do it as well, and the people that come in. Everybody makes it a nice atmosphere. So how is all of this frequency and vibration connected with us now? We are going through a massive transition. We have been for a few years now, but it's now getting more and more intense. We're going through a massive clearing. And as a massive clearing, energetically out there in the ethers, so are we. Remember, you are vibration, you are frequency, you are energy. And in order to move into this next level of consciousness, we are being pushed to clear out old karmic energy, old negativity patterns. Our bodies, the frequency of our body has to increase. It has to raise its vibration in order to keep up with the vibration of Earth, Mother Earth, and the vibration out there in the ethers. So what's happening at the moment is we're being triggered because there's so many different energies coming in. And it's been happening, it happens throughout the years, different periods of time throughout the year. We have these energy shifts. We're going through another one now because the Lionsgate portal is coming upon us around the 8th of the 8th. But we're already in that Lionsgate season. And the energy this year is far, far stronger than it's been in previous years because we're reaching this peak now of this clearing. We're all being affected, me included. I don't normally suffer from headaches, but I'm getting some whopping headaches at the moment, particularly around my third eye area, and I'm having to do a lot of clearing. You may be feeling these as well. Some of the symptoms are tiredness, irritability, hot sweats, vision problems, ringing in the ears, mood swings, being very, very tired. There's lots of different symptoms, achy joints, achy body, feeling like you're coming down with a cold, but yet you don't. Lots of different things happening. The art is to work out how to ride that wave. This is where I say it's so important to keep clearing your energy. Meditate, do breathing exercises, rest if you must, take a salt bath, eat healthful foods, get the right amount of rest and sleep. Don't try to burn the candles at both ends. If this helps anybody, then put me a like on the bottom of the page, and I will speak again soon. Take care. Bye.